Born on October 27, 1935. Officially recorded as March 27, 1935. In Maykawayan, Bulacan, Philippines. Emma Montaos de Pedro was the fourth of 7 children of Rosario Careng Aguirre. She lost her father, Vicente Montaos, at age 3 and was later adopted by Maria Dazo de Pedro and Alipio de Pedro at the age of 10. Maria and Alipio raised Emma alongside their son Priscilo. Emma grew up as a charming, beautiful lady and a talented pianist. She was educated at St. Mary's Academy for elementary and high school and at the University of Santo Tomas for a Bachelor of Science in Commerce. She only completed 2 years. In 1957, Emma married her adopted brother Priscilo, and they had 7 children: Ruth, Michael, Marissa, Judith, Gretchen, Roy, and Sarah. Emma became a skilled diamond appraiser, working in the family pawn shop business, which she eventually took over and successfully ran. Her hard work allowed her to provide her children with prestigious educations, leading many of them to move to the USA. Emma and Percy joined them later in life. Percy passed away in 2019, and Emma now lives with Sarah's family. Emma's life is a testament to resilience, love, and dedication. This biography was written by Ruth de Pedro Mendoza.
Sa buhay ko'y labis ang hirap at pasakit ng pusong umiibig. Mantiwala ng at nang lumigaya, hinango mo sa dusa, tanging ikaw, sinta, ang aking pag-asa. Dahil sa'yo, nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo, hanggang mamatay. Dapat mong tantuin, wala nang ibang giliw. Puso ko'y tanongin, ikaw ang lahat ng ito'y dahil sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo ako'y lumigaya. Pagmamahal ay alayan ka. Kung tunay man ako, ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Ma! Happy birthday! Happy 90th birthday! Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo this coming March 27. Halos lahat nandyan, ako lang ang wala. Kumbaga, kami lang ang wala ni Aling Rosie tsaka ni Sophie. Pero might as well, masaya rin para sa iyo. Masaya rin kami para sa iyo. So, happy birthday at laging dapat mag-iingat ka lagi. At nandito lang kami. Huwag ka masyado mag-alala. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday niya sa March 27. Ako sa
Ulit
March
yan.
24. Pero hindi tayo magkasunod pinanganak ha. Mas matanda ka sa akin. Kaya nga ditsi kita eh. Eh sabi ni Rico noon tinanong ko kung anong oras ka pwede tawagan. Sabi, 1:28 dito sa Pilipinas. Eh baka naman dyan ikaw nagdadasal, kaya hindi ko na tinuloy. O ngayon, eto na ang pagkakataon natin. Kumusta ka na dyan?
Hello, Tita Emma. Happy birthday po. Kamusta na po kayo? I wish I could join you, pero busy po tayo ngayon kasi may pakumpisal po tayo sa simbahan during this day. But God bless you, and I hope to see you back in church. Happy birthday again.
Hey everybody, I hope you're enjoying Lola Emma's birthday party in Las Vegas, and I had a message for you on your 90th birthday. I just wanted to say, thank you for everything, and over the course of my life, the one thing that I did notice about your character is that you're a very consistent and calming presence, and that you love your family a lot. And that means a lot to me, just being able to see you amongst your family and how much you love your sons and your daughters and your grandkids. It's really nice because I no longer have a Lolo and Lola anymore. And so just to see you, it's very comforting. So I just like to say I love you and happy 90th birthday and many more to come.
Maligayang ika-90 kaarawan, Lola Emma. Ako'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa iyo at kay Lolo Percy. Kayong dalawa'y naging mahalagang instrumento upang maging madali ang aking transisyon mula sa Pilipinas patungo dito sa Amerika dahil sa ating lingguhang pagpunta sa 99 Ranch Market. Gusto ko rin pong kunin itong oportunidad upang magpasalamat lalo na sa iyo, Lola Emma, at sa inyong lahat ng dasal na inalay para kay James at ngayon wala na po siyang oxygen. Happy birthday!
Happy 90th birthday, Lola Emma. We regret that we won't be able to join you in Vegas for your 90th celebration. You have reached a great milestone in your life. Win lots of money when you go to Vegas because when you get back, it's bingo time.
Happy 90th birthday, Lola Emma! From Scarlett, me, and James. Mwah.
Dearest Mommy, 90 years, a journey grand, with a hard-working heart and skillful hand. In diamonds gleam and pawn shops light, you built a legacy, shining bright. Through tough times, you stood strong with a loving heart where we belong. With knowledge keen and business might, you turned dreams into dazzling light. No college degree, yet you thrived, crafting success, a legacy divine. Your warm hands, full of care, in every touch, your love we share. In kitchens warm, your magic is known. A chef's touch, your skills have shown. Embutido, leche flan, morcon, and more. Christmas feasts we all adore. Your dishes, treasures from the heart. In every bite, your love imparts. 7 children raised with pride, guided by love by your side. Your spirit, strength, and inspiration. Your love, our endless admiration. Emma Montaus, De Pedro, so dear. Your legacy, we hold so near. Mommy, Lola, Grandma, and more. Your love, we cherish and adore. Happy 90th, with love so pure. Our hearts are yours forevermore. Contributed by Aris De Pedro Garrido and written by Ruth De Pedro Mendoza.